One of the toughest challenges technicians face today is soldering copper to aluminum. With more aluminum coils and line sets and the rise of the A2L requirements, fire is becoming less practical. HVAC SuperPro offers a fantastic alternative to solder and shark bite solutions. By removing oxygen between the non-ferrous metals, you create a robust anaerobic bond. This isn't glue or an epoxy. One of the most important steps is to use a hydraulic swedge tool to slightly enlarge the coupling. Clean the male and female pieces. Sand both pieces with the 60 grit sandpaper provided, leaving the sanding dust to aid in the bonding process. Apply HVAC SuperPro liberally to the tubing and the coupling. Mate the two surfaces together and let them set for 3 to 5 minutes. After 20 minutes, put into service. HVAC SuperPro holds a full vacuum, withstands total pressure of up to 1200 psi and operates up to 350 degrees. Creates a durable bond. It supports up to 450 foot-pounds of twisting torque. It also provides an insulating layer to prevent the dielectric process. HVAC SuperPro is a viable alternative to using fire and creating a permanent bond. High-side Chemicals saves you time and makes you money.